Are you frustrated that you understand your addiction but can't stop doing it? You have looked into it and already see that the addiction is a way for you to escape problems in life. And maybe you even know exactly what problems you're escaping from. Maybe you already know the patterns, you see exactly when the triggers arise and why you do your addiction. And even though you understand all of this, every time you try to quit your addiction, you wind up at it again after some amount of time. When life gets difficult, when stress arises, you return to your addiction. So why is that? This happens for the reason that understanding your addiction, explaining your addiction, doesn't translate into behavior change. These two are completely different things. And this goes for a lot of things in life in general. For example, let's say you want to learn how to drive a car. You open up a textbook, you read how the engine works, how the car works, how the steering wheel works, when to shift gears and so on. And you feel like you know your stuff, you feel like you know how to drive a car. And then you go and actually try driving a car, and what happens? Most likely it either stalls, you can't put it into gear, or something else happens. You don't know how to drive a car because actually learning how to drive a car involves driving it, having experience with it, going through mistakes and learning from those mistakes and gradually learning how to drive the damn thing. The same goes with addiction. You can explain it all you want, you can understand it all you want, but if you're not putting focus into actually changing your life in a way that no longer needs the addiction, because after all, you're using addiction to cope with life. It's there for a reason. You can't just take it away and continue on with your life as it is. It doesn't work. You just suffer, and after a certain amount of suffering, you return to your addiction. So this is the whole point of the video. That you need clear intention on how to change your life instead of just explaining your addiction. And if you want a method that can help you do that, then I invite you to check out my website. It's called 4quadrantscoaching.com, and there you will find the method that I reverse engineered after I got rid of my own addictions. And there's also 2 free chapters of my guidebook, so free stuff. Anyway, to wrap this up, if you're tired of explaining your addiction, thinking about your addiction, understanding your addiction, but not seeing any change in your life, then I invite you to change strategies.